In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the rarest emote in the game here in Clash Royale, aka the Goblin Cry emote. This is by far the most toxic emote in the game, and this is how you can get it easily. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel. It lets us know that you want more Clash Royale content just like this. But in order to go ahead and get this emote, firstly go ahead and get into Clash Royale. And then scroll over to the shop and actually scroll all the way down on the shop page. And right now, as a part of the special deal for the next 31 days, Supercell is actually selling the Goblin Boohoo emote for $5 in the shop. Now, you still can get this emote for free by getting at least 3-star lucky drops. And the best way to increase your chances of getting that emote in there is actually going to the collection, opening up your emotes, and then scrolling down until you find that emote. And there's so many emotes in the game right now, I'm just going to go ahead and select this one and essentially just heart it just like so. This is going to add that to your wish list. And then on top of that, it's also going to put it as a higher chance of getting it in the emote section down here. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more Clash Royale videos just like this. Have a great day. Peace.